Welcome to iSERV, a revolutionary smart service and ticket management tool, powered by ITHENA. Are you an OEM struggling to provide end users with comprehensive access to knowledge base? Do you find it difficult to manage service costs and minimize machine downtime? Look no further. Introducing iSERV, the cutting-edge solution where innovation meets efficiency. iSERV is here to revolutionize the way OEMs and their end customers interact with equipment. Our solution offerings include a smart performance monitoring feature, ensuring seamless machine connectivity, comprehensive data collection, and advanced visualization. With our predictive maintenance feature, customers gain access to intuitive dashboards equipped with AI-driven alerts for their equipment performance. Our operations and service app offers customers access to self-guided content, ticket management, and the ability to collaborate remotely, all within a unified mobile app. We offer a web service portal for the administration of queries and concerns, enabling OEMs to oversee ticket management, customer onboarding, and content management. Our performance monitoring feature enables OEMs to gain unparalleled insights through enhanced graphics and detailed equipment information. With our service app, end customers can effortlessly raise tickets and access troubleshooting manuals all in one place. No more waiting for hours or days to hear back from the OEMs. The back-office service portal allows service technicians at the OEM to connect and collaborate seamlessly with the end customer service team. No need to travel physically to remote locations of the equipment. This enables faster response times, efficient issue resolutions, and reduced machine downtime. Our customers observed an impressive 27% enhancement in their service efficiency by utilizing iSERV's self-servicing capabilities for their end customers. OEMs realized a substantial increase of around 37% in their first-time resolution rate, with our comprehensive ticket management and access to the knowledge base. This led to a remarkable reduction of 45% in service costs. That's not all, the faster communication increased their customer satisfaction by up to 35%. Our customers have successfully achieved a 30% surge in equipment uptime by integrating our performance monitoring feature. Additionally, they observed a revenue increase of about 42% by extending this service to their end customers. Discover the power of iSERV and unlock a new era of OEM service and ticket management. For more information on how to transform your OEM operations, scan the QR code to visit us or contact us at our email address. Thank you, and we look forward to partnering with your organization.